What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to Everyday with Wood. Today we're at Publix. Daddy is about to cook. What you cooking, babe?
Some chili and rice.
Some chili and rice. We're gonna do white rice. You gonna cook the rice or you want me to cook it? Oh, Daddy gonna cook the whole meal. You gonna make some cornbread. Everybody be like, oh, y'all don't eat chili with cornbread. We Southern Florida folks, we eat chili with rice. You ate chili with cornbread?
I just don't eat cornbread.
I ain't never had chili with cornbread.
I think I got burnt that on it.
Oh, well, my bad. So Daddy done had chili with cornbread. I haven't. But we're about to run into...
Like sweet cornbread, people eat it with the regular and then mix it up.
Like what you mean sweet cornbread? Like you ate sugar? Like put sugar with the cornbread? Like the really sweet?
Like,
you want to make a cornbread? Let's make a skillet cornbread.
But I don't like regular cornbread without no...
Without no... collard greens?
No, without the sweet. You know people eat regular cornbread like
I can make it sweet. All you need is sugar.
I know that. I'm just saying.
And we gonna make some cornbread. What you think? Daddy say he don't care. All right, so let's run into Publix. It is kind of drizzly outside. We don't got no umbrella. You got an umbrella in here? I got an umbrella in my car. I bought Daddy an umbrella.
I gave it to
who you gave it to?
I gave it to your auntie.
The umbrella I bought you? Okay. Anyways, let's go. You know they don't be seasoning the chicken at this location. Pardon us. Thank you. You feel weird with me recording you? Daddy don't vlog in the store. Okay, I'll record myself. Ooh, look, they got the cereal on BOGO. For those of you who get WIC, it's your time to shine. They got the General Mills cereal. Buy one, get one free. You could get Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Lucky Charms, Reese's Puffs, Kicks, or Cookie Crisp. What you do is buy the Kicks. Those are a WIC cereal. You get that one first. Let them ring that one up first and then get whatever else you like. Y'all know we don't get WIC anymore. If I did, y'all know I would be balling out fully stocked with the cereal. They got a rolls of ground beef. They've been on sale. These rolls of ground beefs have been on sale, guys, for $9.99. You're going to get 2 or 3. You need to at least get 2. You know we got a lot of kids. They like meat, but they don't like it as much as I like meat. But McKay likes meat a lot. All right, Peach Patch. So we're going to come on the bacon aisle and see if we see cornbread mix. Now, y'all know I love the little blueberry muffin mix from, what's the name? This one. Krusteaz. But I don't know. Somebody said their cornbread mix is really, really good as well. Oh, look. They got honey cornbread and southern cornbread. Krusteaz. They say it's better than Jiffy. You want Jiffy, Daddy? Look at him. He want Jiffy. Jiffy. You want to try this kind, Daddy? You okay with that? I'm going to buy 2 of each so we can have both at the content house. We never make cornbread. Our kids have had cornbread from like when we went to Trick Daddy's. That's honey cornbread. And then this southern cornbread. And it say, try baking it in a skillet. We don't got no skillet. Let's see if Publix got one. I know we need a measuring cup. Because when I made my thing, we need milk. We got to buy eggs, babe. And melted butter. Okay. I had to throw them away. They weren't any good because, you know, we weren't cooking lately. Babe, do we need one of these bowls from home or it's not big enough? Okay, we need a meat masher as well. So I don't see no meat masher. I know I need something that got 2/3 of a cup. Because, honey, I was baking something and said you needed 2/3 of a cup. And I ain't know what 2/3 of a cup was. I only had this. 1/2 cup, 1/4 of a cup, 1/2 a cup, 1/4 of a tablespoon. What's 2/3 of a cup? We need one of these. Grab one of those, babe, for the content house. And then we was looking to see if they had a skillet, but I don't see no skillet right here. I know Walmart got a skillet. Yeah, that's when you want to add that, what is sugar and stuff on top of something? Flour, okay. Are we gonna do cornbread muffins, or you think we're gonna do regular, like a pan of cornbread? We have all of these little pans at home. They are on BOGO though right now for those of you who need some pans. I don't know if that's a good deal or not. So Peach Patch and I don't know what Wood call y'all over on his channel, but to the Peach Patch and whatever Wood call y'all, we are going to look for a meat masher. Yes. We didn't really need a lot of ingredients. We got onions, we got peppers, we got white rice. We just need the chili beans. So now we gotta get chili beans. I'm gonna grab some chili powder. I'm not sure if we're gonna use it or not. Daddy went on the aisle with the chili beans. Let's find chili powder. Chili powder right here. McCormick chili powder. It's $2.85. $2.85. So I'm just gonna get this as a just in case he changed his mind and he want to use it. But he said earlier, oh, that one's kind of dented in. He said earlier that he wasn't gonna use chili powder, but he might change his mind. You never know. We're gonna grab this one. They all just dented up. There we go. And we're gonna put this back and this back so we don't gotta hit a police in the comments saying, why didn't you put it back where it goes? All right. I'm trying to get my husband to be more comfortable vlogging. That's not really his thing. Pardon me, miss. It's not really his thing, but I'm trying. Yes, Daddy? Yeah, I use Bush's. I get mine because I don't want it too spicy for the kids. And then, you know, me and you could just add hot sauce. Babe, do we need hot sauce at the content house or we got some? Got some? Okay. No, I would get 2, but you need like 6. We got a big family. We got 6 pounds of ground beef. So these chili beans, they're just kidney beans. Oh, these are pinto beans, the ones we're getting. These are $2.49 each. We need at least 6 cans. I would buy 8 just to be safe. I'm dead serious, Daddy. Trust your wife. Trust your wife. Look, 6, you might use them all, but if you get 8, you'll have some left over for if you ever decide, oh, I just want to make chili right quick. I'm gonna get 8. Listen to your stockpiling wife. Y'all know I'm a stockpile queen. This man. Thank you, Daddy.
It's expensive for some damn chili.
This not gonna be expensive. This chili gonna cost us, I think all of our ingredients total should be like $45 because the meat only 20. The beans we didn't get 10, so it's gonna be like 20 something. Ooh, hopefully they got a meat masher, Daddy. We need a meat masher. Y'all got us hooked the meat mashers, and then we broke one when we was just mashing up the meat. Choice love the meat masher too. We got this. It's a masher. It ain't a silicone like the one we used to have. It say it's a masher. It say it can mash. Perfect for mashing up potatoes, fruit, beans. I don't know if it's good for mashing up meat. We really want a silicone one like we had from a Peach. Shout out to the Peach Patch, man. Y'all blessed us with so much stuff when we first started this journey, and we really, really appreciate it. Thank y'all so much. Trying to find that meat masher. Daddy had got him a veggie peeler. It could peel. I guess you could change it, maybe. Can you change the heads? 3 blades included. Oh, these extra blades. I never knew you had to change the blades on these. Y'all knew that? Comment down below if y'all knew y'all needed to change the blades. It's $14.99 in here. Y'all know PUBLIX is high. They probably did. People be buying this stuff, but y'all know I love PUBLIX. It's a peaceful store. We'll try it. Your pot won't get scraped, I don't think, the kind of pot you just bought. So we're just looking right here at the little hang stuff to see if they have a meat masher. This is a temperature thingamajig. We don't own one of those. It's $6.99. I don't know how we know stuff the right temperature. We just be like, it's done. It's done. I'm looking at all the little hanging stuff, seeing if we could spot it. A tomato pod. I probably need to buy this. It's $4.59. People don't like tomatoes like that in my house. Our house is just me and my oldest. Yes, Daddy?
They used to have a whole bunch of these around the stove.
Different stuff. You want to try this? Look, you put it in your garbage disposal. It's $6.49. Lemon fresh sink. I'm gonna try it. Okay, yeah, I can see what my husband's talking about. I be turning stuff into expensive trips. Girl, you didn't come here for that. You don't even want to come out for me. Okay, you can stay. Comment down below if y'all use that, or do you just use a fresh lemon? That's what I normally do. They got an avocado cutter. Oh, babe, that's one thing we don't have is a can opener. You want to go back and get one of those manual ones on that other aisle? You want the old school kind? That's old school. That's giving $19.99. All right, Peach Patch. So our last stop is going to be the eggs, but Daddy's seen something he want to look at. While he's looking at that, I'm just going to go ahead and grab us some eggs. And I think, oh, we got milk at home. I was going to say, I think we need milk for the, what is it called? Cornbread, but we do have milk, so we don't have to worry about that. We've been using brown eggs lately. My daughter, Gorgeous, she loves brown eggs. All of a sudden, I'm going to buy the Eggland's Best because it's cheaper. And I'm going to get 2. Look, they got a little light brown one. What kind of egg is that? Is it a biracial egg? A sink stopper? Okay. Daddy said we also need a sink stopper. So we're going to go on the Brooms dish detergent aisle, this one, babe. And grab that sink stopper. Need to go ahead and grab these stainless steel wipes as well, because we need to clean. And I feel like I bought one of these already, but I'm not sure. What, these? I think they work pretty good. What you like to use? The pink stuff? Okay, so you don't want me to buy them? I'll get the pink stuff. What about for the top stove? You want to try this? Comment down below, guys. Do you guys use this? What do you think? I'm going to try that. So put these back, babe.
You had some under the thing, like it was
at home?
Yeah, it was smearing the thing.
Oh, okay.
Like they work, but shining up real good.
What you looking for, babe?
I thought it was,
the sink stoppers. I would think, we don't know where they would be.
Yeah, I see them kind
That's
of.
okay. The like sink strainer.
Yeah.
Oh. We're looking for a sink. Oh, you know what? They didn't have them last time. I had to order it from Amazon. Remember? When we was looking for one last time, I think I ended up finding them in person at, I want to say Home Depot. Yeah, they don't sell them here. Probably so. Oh, Peach Patch, I'm also going to grab some mouthwash. I was just in here the other day, and they didn't have any of this. Y'all know this is my favorite, the TheraBreath, the pink one. Daddy uses the green one, right, babe? You don't really care for the pink one, do you? Like nothing, but it keep your breath smelling really good, guys. I promise, well, I ain't gonna promise, but I use this and I wake up with no morning breath. My best friend just started using it because I use it and I told her about it and she seen my videos and she said that it also doesn't give her morning breath and she really likes it. Now I'm gonna buy something that I shouldn't get while Daddy put this on that at the register. I'm going to go get me some Oreos. I've been wanting Oreos for like 3 days. I ordered some through not DoorDash, Instacart, and my kids ate them before I could get one. Last night I was tearing up the house like, dang, what are Oreos? What are Oreos when all my kids went to bed? They had already ate them all. Oh my goodness, they don't got no Oreos. Oh, here they go. 12 pack. 12 packs of 6 cookies. I don't want that one. Don't ask me why I'm weird like my mama. We just gonna get 1 pack. I would get 2 for the house, but the kids, they don't need no Oreos. I don't even need these Oreos. They're just so good, though. All right, Peach Patch, so we are done. Our total ended up being $125.17. So much for me saying it was only going to be $4 to $5. All right, Peach Patch, we are all done. We're about to head over to the content house and cook up this chili so our kids can have dinner early. The earlier they eat, the earlier they can go to bed. So, yeah, we love that. You guys will be able to see the video over on Everyday with Wood, Daddy's page, Daddy's channel. Make sure y'all follow him on all platforms. TikTok, Everyday with Wood. Facebook, Everyday with Wood. YouTube, Everyday with Wood. Instagram, Everyday with Wood. All right, Daddy said he's going to pull the truck up, and we're going to just put the stuff in the truck right here.